Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. This vehicle has had regular oil changes and it has had 2 previous owners as well. As we get closer here to the front of this crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek, metallic, midnight black clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side of this vehicle and take a look at its tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels with dark gray insets, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in them, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter, so you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the outside of mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those, and these mirrors are heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. Right behind all of those wheels, you do have mudguards, which will help to prevent not only mud from flinging up on your vehicle, but from anything that might chip away the paint like gravel or stone chips. And all along the bottom of the cab, you do have black assist steps to help you get in and out with ease. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely dark gray cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 10-30 seconds on all of your tires. So you have a long life left on all of those tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 14-30 seconds on the front pads and 5-30 seconds on the shoes on the brake drums in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. Right beside that multi-point inspection, you also have the Carfax Vehicle History Report, and you might notice on there was a minor damage report on this vehicle in the front right, which you have already seen. That minor damage report is just cosmetic, things like dents or scratches to the vehicle body, and I will be going up close later on in the video so you can see everything for yourself in detail. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well, so if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people, and for these rear occupants, you do have 2 cup holders back here, as well as a pocket on the back of that front passenger seat. And down on the floors, you do have all-weather floor liners to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all the doors do have a cup holder in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue on and take a look here at the rear of this pickup. On the bottom of the rear of this pickup, you do have a pre-installed tow bar, as well as both a 4- and 7-pin connector for a trailer hitch hookup, and you also have a backup camera to help you whenever parking or going in reverse. And we'll just open up this tailgate, and as you'll be able to see, it does go down by itself without slamming, as this pickup does have tailgate assist. Alright, as you'll be able to see back here, this crew pickup does have a short bed that's about 5 feet, so it is perfect if you need to accommodate tight parking spaces or only need to haul some smaller loads. You also have a bedliner in here to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches the load you put in here might give it, and you also have an AC outlet in the bed as well. Up top, you do have a soft tonneau cover to help protect whatever you put here in the bed from the elements, and I'll just close that tailgate back up and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This Tacoma does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, meaning you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a telescopic steering wheel, meaning you can move it in and out as well as up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering was just your bed light controls, as well as your electronic stability control toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding. And now just get inside this vehicle and turn it on for you. This vehicle also has a manual transmission, and it does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 43,216 miles on it. We'll take your attention over here to the right side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you up there. Beneath those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your adaptive cruise controls as well as your lane departure warning toggle. Adaptive cruise control is really convenient because you can basically set a certain speed to cruise along the highway at, but if you end up falling behind somebody, this vehicle will automatically match their speed. You can also set how far away you want to follow them. And on the left side of the steering wheel, you do have your volume controls as well as your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. To the left and right side of that display, you do have controls for it. A bit farther down are your climate controls. You can toggle on and off those heated mirrors like I had mentioned earlier, your four-wheel drive shift here. A bit farther down, you do have a USB charging port, power outlet, and then that rear window does slide open and close to really enjoy those sunny summer days. Beneath that, you do have a wireless smartphone charger if your smartphone is compatible, your main gear shift, parking brake, 2 cup holders, and then your main storage compartment behind all of that with a USB and USB-C charging port inside. We'll now move on here to the last section of this video. In the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections, and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this Tacoma, you do have several discolorations on the ceiling, as well as a good amount of wear here on that rear passenger side door. But other than those, there is nothing else that is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever, so we'll take a look here now to the outside of this vehicle. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the rear of the vehicle. Now often where I do tend to see several imperfections and hiccups is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And you do have some slight wear up here, several nicks along the top of that tailgate. But as for the bed, you do have quite a bit of wear and scratching on the sides, as well as on that bed liner. I'll just close this back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. Some faint scratches on the side of the bed, a few small nicks on that front driver's side door, and we'll continue around here to the front. Now along the front of this crew pickup, you do have several nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup does have comparatively very few from what I usually see coming through our dealership. We'll continue back around here to the passenger side. You do have a scratch there on the front passenger side door. A few nicks on that crease. Some scuffing on that black plastic. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a black crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a bed liner, tailgate assist, soft tonneau bed cover, a backup camera, pre-installed tow bar, black assist steps, fog lights, mudguards, 2 keys, smartphone integration, a rear power sliding window, a lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day!